What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing this $500 commercial claw machine that I picked up online. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to go over this commercial grade claw machine I picked up online. It was about $400 to $500, and claw machines have been really popular these days, so I had to have one in my own home. Now, this machine is awesome. It goes by a few different brand names. However, they're all exactly the same. They're just labeled with a different brand. So my recommendation actually would just be to go with the cheapest one. So this is what it looks like. It's got LED lights on the top as well as on the bottom. Here is the joystick. It's got an LCD screen, nice LED colors, and the button there. It will automatically play music every, say, 20 seconds. However, I have that turned off for this video. Let's go ahead and check it out first. So we're gonna grab a quarter or a token, whatever your machine is programmed with. Hit the button. Woo! Sweet, we won. And then prize comes down the bottom. So I put these little piggies in. You should probably get something that's about 4 inches or less. These are about 4.2 inches, and sometimes it has some difficulty grabbing them. So just a heads up on that. The machine comes with 2 keys, which I have right here. The key opens up the prize box here, coin mechanism there, as well as coin drawer. So stick the key, open this, keys, coins collect and come out there. This is the coin mechanism. Open that up. You can basically have this machine accept any type of coin. We simply place a sample coin right here. And so I have a quarter in mine. You can also use the tokens that they provide you. And it goes on size. And so basically it measures that coin size, and any new coin that you put in needs to match that same size. So once you put a coin in, music starts playing, machine is activated. This is the section where you would put your prizes. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. You can see here I have some little squishy plush toys. You can rearrange these. I'm gonna place one in the center and make it easier to win. If you do ever have any problems with the claw gripper, it's usually because it hasn't retracted fully up or down, or when it returns home, this button does not return home. There are also 2 power switches on the device. One is basically where the power cord is on the back, and then the next one is behind the coin mechanism, right there, that top switch right there. Also inside of there, at the top, that counter counts how many quarters have been entered into the machine. The one below it counts how many prizes has been dispensed, and that red button there is how you enter the settings. So the big question here is this machine rigged? And yes, it is. So you can adjust the settings, the probability, all those things like that. Let me give you an in-depth tour of the menu and settings. So we're gonna open up the coin mechanism again and press that red button, and on the screen, you'll see the settings pop up. So here is our menu setting. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J. So I'm gonna start from the bottom and go up. I think it's just easier to explain that way. J is obviously factory reset. You press that, You can move the joystick to yes or no to confirm, and then you press the button again. Don't reset the machine to factory settings because a lot of people have said this is in Chinese. However, if you do need to change it back, you can always watch this video and you can go by the letters HJ to figure out the menu. H here is called free play. You enter this, turn it on or off. Free play just lets you play the machine without any coins, basically for free. Accounts reset resets the number of income and coins entered into the machine, which relates to the menu right above it, which is F accounts. So here's our income payout, total income, total payout, you see the T, and then current income, current payout. So that accounts reset that, and then total plays, it also resets that. Hit return and go back. We have E, which is machine test. Basically, you hit that button, it just tests the function of the machine. Prize setup here, you can adjust basically the win rate and the prizes. So prize setup, we can do a fixed setup, random, vending, and the default is fixed. Win rate is basically a probability. So how often do you want the machine to let people win? So, you know, this is 1 in 1, 1 in 2, 1 in 3, all the way up to a 200. So you can have the machine win every time on the 200th time it plays. A lot of people like to set this up to 3. It doesn't mean that it's just gonna grow down and win also. You still need to use a claw, grab an item, and basically it's just gonna hold on to that item better, and it just gives you a better chance of winning that item. Prize sensor, you know, it's on. Basically, there's a sensor on the bottom here that detects when the prize has fallen down. Play till win, basically when you enter a coin and you don't win, you just keep playing till you win. Hit return. Motor speed, forward and backwards, basically controls the motor speed going forwards and backwards, and then left and right controls the motor speed going left and right. Claw voltage, this is very, very important for basically adjusting the wins also. The high voltage and the low voltage, it's basically how hard the machine grips. So the high voltage is when it's at the top, and low voltage is when it's at the bottom. When it comes down, grips the animal. Sometimes you'll see machines grip on very tightly, or some will grip loosely. That's how you adjust that setting right there. And then when it returns back up, and then sometimes you'll see the claw like loosen up a little bit and drop the prize, that's where the high voltage is adjusted. So yes, these machines are completely rigged. You can also adjust the height of the low and upper limits and where they start. Basically the start to close up. Hit return. This is setting. Coins per play. It just means how many coins do you want to enter until the machine allows you to play. I have mine set to 1 quarter per play. You could set it to 2 quarters per play, 4, whatever you would like. Game time is the timer. When you put the coin in, how much time will you allow the user to basically play until. Music, I have mine currently set to off so that I can record the video. If you keep it turned to on, it'll just play that theme music you know, while the machine is not actually have quarters inserted. We also have claw catch. Claw catch set to bottom for me. Basically, when do you want it to catch? When it bottoms down or in the air. I'm gonna set that one at air, actually change it up, show you guys. Prize shoot is in the front, set it to the front or the back. Obviously mine is in the front. Tilt sensor, we have ours on. Volume, we can adjust the volume here. And coins and bonus. Basically you can change the bonus play here. So that's a quick look at the settings. Very simple, easy to go through. You simply hit return. It does an auto test real quick, and the machine is ready to go again. So when you leave the music on, basically the machine plays this music every 15 to 20 seconds on its own to basically entice people. So I'm gonna put the coin mechanism back in, close it up. Let's go ahead, put another coin in. We put the coin in and the music will start. You see the music has started. We're ready to play. Coin 1. Once we move the joystick, the timer will start. So we've got 20 seconds on the clock here. So I have my voltages set to the highest, which makes it super easy. Again, you can adjust those settings to whatever you'd like. So this is a great toy to have at home. It's so much fun for kids, even adults. Anyone who comes over, they're always amazed that you have your own little tiny claw machine here. Again, it is commercial grade. It's 70 pounds. It's made out of a good amount of grade steel. I mean, somebody could still break this or smash it pretty easily, but it's just a nice novelty toy to have. I think it's worth the money. Let me know what you guys think. Is it worth it to get one of these and place it in your home? Do you play enough claw machines to make it worth it? If you do have any questions, go ahead, leave them down below. Subscribe to my channel for tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.